Exciting times. This is the first generation of Intel products where we are able to build an entire cell site in one single compute node. Hi everybody, my name is Felipe Pastor. I'm a technical specialist within Intel.
My name is Gurkripal. I'm a product manager with HPE Networking. So we have a cloud-native routing stack, which we can host over the new generation of Intel Xeon 6 processors. Since the new processors have abundant number of cores, hence this solution of introducing a routing stack basically is going to provide the cell site router hardware capabilities in a software stack, and that's the whole solution that we are partnering together on.
Thanks to our collaboration, the exciting news that we are bringing to you guys today is that we have a multi-tenant environment where we can run vRouter as part of the baseband solution. So it is a big deal for operators because it helps to deploy solutions in a very cost-effective way. We are very excited because when you look at cloud native, the approach that the industry is taking is to embrace Kubernetes on the far edge. So we see that as an opportunity, not only to deploy VDU, VCU, UPF workloads in the future, but also we see it as an opportunity to partner with you guys, deploy JCNR as yet another workload that allows for workload consolidation and simpler solutions.
Traditional solutions basically are involving multiple hardware components at the same site, which is definitely going to increase the overall TCO for the site. The new solution basically is going to have the BBU, and that's where the customer will see TCO savings for that. Yeah, so the traditional solutions, if you look at it, right, they had like two hardware components sitting at the site. With this solution, basically we are collapsing those two hardware solutions into a single hardware, thus providing a TCO benefit to the customer. So as Felipe mentioned, right, the whole solution is about running our JCNR, which is our routing stack, along with the BBU on the same x86 hardware on the site. So from a cost perspective, 50% TCO savings for the site. I would disagree to that, because if you look at the whole benefit of the solution is around virtualization going into the RAN. Customers might not do 100% virtualization of the RAN. So in that case, we will see a mix of both hardware and virtualized solutions deployed in the RAN.
Disagree. I think that we are bringing a lot of innovation with our partners, like you guys. We think that this is highly disruptive, so technology brings outcomes that have a very significant impact from a business perspective. So I think that we have done the groundwork over the years. Now we are expanding on the value that we can bring, and that is making a massive impact on the overall value that we deliver to customers.
I agree to that. And yes, perception is a real barrier today because people still think that the performance, what they're going to get out of the software platforms will not be equal to what the hardware platforms would be. What we have seen with the new generation of the Intel platforms, we are seeing a significant jump in the performance. We definitely feel that the performance for the far edge use case is more than enough what can easily be accommodated by a virtual cell site router.